in the back, running like nice, I'm low with that cash. My bitch, she a bad, she got attitude. When she mad, I'ma eat it like fast food. She a boss, cause she in the bag too. Eat up the dick, cash you. See, I'm fine.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, truth be told, I've been trying to do this video for like, I don't know, a couple weeks now, and it just never ends up going right. Everybody at these dealerships be on some weird stuff. So, here we are again, starting another car shopping vlog, well, car buying / shopping vlog. So, yeah, hopefully everything goes good. Hopefully, you know, I can get the car that I want right now, and I don't have to keep doing this, standing outside while people staring at me, knowing I'd be nervous and stuff. But that's besides the point. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned.
Some insurance companies don't pay.
Hey, mama girl. No, it's not this one.
No, the first one, right?
Oh yeah, I think. Yeah. Okay, so y'all, this is the car. This is the car. Did he lie to me? He lied to me. It is not unlocked. Anyway, this is the car. Y'all can't even see. So yeah, this is the car.
Like I told you, it's the hatchback, so of course the seats fold down. Back opens like this. Got your cargo hide right here. You can hide your valuables inside the car. Of course, I can check the car back. That's public information on website.
So what if this one has? Right here, does it have the
Yeah, so it has a lane watch camera right here, so anytime you make a right-hand turn, it pops up on the screen. Of course, got heated seats in the car. Apple CarPlay. Let me verify that. This is 2018, so. That was introduced in probably like 2016. So of course, the air conditioner works. I tried out the air conditioning. Of course, it has the sport mode, so you can use give a little bit more power to the engine. Of course, you can see it's push button start in the car. USB charger down below.
is there any type of like 30-day, any type of warranty that you guys can offer? Not the full package, but like a 30-day kind of like.
They have any partial kind of
This is
warranties, or
live.
maybe they have like different like maintenance coverage. They do offer stuff like that, I believe. So I can ask. There's no issue.
Okay, yeah, just curious. Like, you know, like I said, I don't want to get the car.
I signed the papers, y'all.
Deserve to take long, delicious lunches on the all this sweet.
You look so much happier in this video than the last one.
I do deserve that. And you deserve a friend as a butt.
I do. I remember. Look at what Poppy did. Oh, look at what she did.
Microban 24.
She don't miss.
24 hours touch after touch. When used as directed, Microban 24. Touch after touch.
I gotta find her number and send her, cause ooh. Don't tell them how much I spent. You gotta sign it too.
You can.
Ooh. It's official, y'all. We lit. We live. Look at the party crunk outside. He finna pull the car out right now. Clutch. Got me all the deals. Cause baby, who was finna go from a $200 car payment to $500? Not I. Not happening. I'm hyped. I'm hyped.
There you go. Got your angle right here. Bam. New Century Honda.
If she would ever come out.
And I'm gonna put some gas in the car and everything.
Wrong, mother!
Mama!
Wrong way!
Be careful coming through there, okay?
Everybody ain't able.
You got it? You gonna take my picture? Where's my picture too? How you take a picture? Girl, won't you pose or something? Robert can't get in your, what you call it? Thank you.
Hey. Hold on, let me get the angle. Let me get the right angle for you. Hold on. I got you. Let me be your videographer real quick. Hold on, okay, there we go. We got it focused. All right.
Oh wait,
I got you. I got you, girl. I got you.
right, 'cause she was not helping.
Let me show you. I got you. You just hire me whenever you need me. There it is. Hold on, let me get low. There it is.
You want somebody to do.
It's all right. I got it. I got it. That's the angle right here. That's it right there.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh. I got you. I got you. I got you. Woo!
Everybody ain't able.
There you go. Oh, you look good right there. That's a good lighting. There you go. That's a light right there. I got you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Woo! That's the shot right there. You're going to like that when you get it in post. That's the shot right there. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me take a picture on her phone.
Best salesman of the year. Robert. Him right there.
I know what y'all girl. You got to get at least 200 of these to pick one.
Right, to pick the right one.
Hold on. Get mama to hold the camera. Get mama to hold the camera now so I can get you by yourself.
No, we trying to get you.
Oh, okay. Hey, how y'all doing? Robert here at New. I don't know if you got video.
Yep.
Robert here at New Century Honda. Happy to help you guys out anytime you need. I'm looking a little bit dirty and rusty, but that's what you got to do for customers sometime, okay?
You sealed the deal. Sealed the deal.
Yo, I legit have a whole brand. Let me turn this off. I have a whole brand new car. Like this right here does not feel real. I've been having a good month. I hit 10K. Like everything is just like I'm lit. I'm happy. My right eye is still twitching, so I feel like more good stuff is gonna keep coming in, and I'm thankful. I'm grateful. I'm appreciative for y'all, because I really would have been stopped doing this, but one, even aside from like the little money I do make off of YouTube, I actually enjoy making videos, unlike most people. So regardless, I probably would still do, I probably wouldn't do it as consistently, given I still go to school and I still like play sports and all that good stuff. But I don't know, I'm happy, I'm content with everything I got going on at the current moment. You know, no complaints, no major complications. It could always be so much worse. So yeah, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me congratulations, we hit 10K. I don't know if the giveaway post is up now or if it's going to be up in the next video, but either way it goes, make sure y'all go tune into that. Comment down below any more videos you guys would like to see and all that good stuff. And like I said, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for 10K.
Wanna get it, VVS on your ring, got you drippin'. And your nigga think you trippin'. 30 clip, longer than my bitch extensions. Pussy wetter than Flint, she from Michigan. KFC, my OG brought the chickens in. We was serving that boy on the back streets. I can run through the pad like a track meet.